Welcome to Create Your Own, celebrating Picnic Day. Blue skies, green grasses, maybe a body of water to brighten up your spirits. With friends, food, and fun, you can have the best time with a picnic together. Maybe it'll be by a park and you can play, or maybe it'll be a surprise to surprise a grown-up in the middle of their work day. Whatever you do, picnics can be great fun. And you know what? Families really are starting to go back to the simplistic things of picnics. It brings back great memories growing up, being able to have a picnic outside, running and playing with bubbles, checking out the sky and the birds, and all sorts of wonderful things. Maybe we'd get a game of kickball going or a frisbee. Always so much fun. Just listening to the sounds. Maybe you'll do an I Spy rainbow and start picking out things that you see that are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Picnics don't necessarily have to always be outside. In fact, families have even done living room picnics. Great fun. All the things you would expect for a picnic inside. Need some inspiration for some picnic time fun? Be sure to check out some of these titles. Mouse's First Summer, The World in Your Lunchbox, Pie is for Sharing, Oscar's Half Birthday, Bears and Blossoms, and Tasty Treats, Easy Cooking for Children. You can check these all out at the Manlius Library. With some inspiration in hand, you and your friends and family can gather together for a picnic, sharing stories, maybe bringing your four-legged creatures, such as your dog, along for the fun too. Whatever you do, be sure to prepare. You can prepare with a blanket, special toys like a frisbee or a kite, blankets, or tablecloths, baskets, and the food to join in. Lemonade, of course, is always a favorite. Maybe you'll put it inside a mason jar so it's easy to transport. And just remember, whatever foods you make, they can be fancy or they can be festive. You might even find a camp out. Making some bread on a stick might be fun too. Well, I certainly love having picnics with lemonade as the theme. You can add whatever favorites, even order pizza. Don't forget the basket of fun. Oh yeah, watermelons. And you can have a watermelon seed spinning contest. Oh yeah, sometimes there'll be those little pests such as the ants. Or if it goes on through the night, you might even find fireflies. You could even be very simplistic with peanut butter sandwiches. Well, that certainly will be lots of fun, won't it? And maybe you'll cap off the evening with fireworks. Whatever you do, be sure to celebrate your way, Picnic Day. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Manlius Library.